Confused between Anua and Skin 1004? Both claims to brighten up your skin, but which one is for you, skin? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk about skincare and its consistency, because skincare is not an overnight thing, it's a journey. In today's video, I'll be comparing these two popular Korean brightening serums. One is Anua 10% niacinamide and other one is Skin 1004 ka Tone Brightening Ampule Capsule. I have talked about both of these serums. I have shown you my live results in these particular videos. If you want to check the details and the live results, you can check these video outs. But if you are confused between the two, like which one should you go for, then this video is for you. I will be breaking down the ingredients, the benefits and key difference between these two serums so that you can choose wisely. Before we start the video, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button down below and press the notification bell as well. Kindly hit the subscribe button, it means a lot to me. Now let's start. First up, we have this Anua 10% plus 4% of tranexamic acid serum. This got, of course, 10% of niacinamide, a multitasking ingredient that helps control oil, minimize the pores, and most importantly, it helps to fade away pigmentation and even out skin tone. Second, this contains 4% of tranexamic acid. It's a powerful brightening agent that inhibits melanin transfer and help reduce the stubborn dark spots like melasma and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. This contains 2% of arbutin, which is another melanin inhibitor that enhances the brightening effect and prevent new pigmentation from forming. Next, this contains Centella asiatica, helps to calm the inflammation. So this particular serum is suitable for all skin types. Texture of this one is slightly viscous solution. It's not at all a very runny, watery texture. It has some mass in this one. If you apply it on dry skin, it might feel heavy. But if you apply it on damp skin, it doesn't feel heavy and sticky. Sink completely into your skin. Number 2, we have this Skin 1004 Centella Tone Brightening Capsule Ampule. Here you're getting 77% of Centella asiatica, which is the base of this serum that actually soothes and strengthens your skin barrier. Great for sensitive, irritated and compromised skin. Next, this contains 4% of niacinamide that helps improve uneven tone and strengthen your skin moisture barrier. Then this contains 2 more active compounds from Centella, which is medicoside and aceticoside, that reduce redness, repair the skin and promote the cell regeneration. Next, this contains 2% of tranexamic acid, helps to gradually brightening of your skin. Next, this contains ceramide, NP and hyaluronic acid that helps deep hydration and of course helps to repair your skin barrier. C, and this contains vitamin C as well. Now this one is great for sensitive dry skin and people who have weak barrier ka issue. The texture of this one is again a viscous thick solution. You can see these tiny white capsules. These are Centella beads which get burst when they come in contact with your skin. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel heavy and sticky on the face. Might be like कि दोनों की ingredient list तो same है, दोनों में ही Centella है, दोनों में ही niacinamide है, दोनों में ही tranexamic acid है. Like almost ingredient list है that is quite similar. So how to choose the one which is suitable for your skin type? There is a very simple answer. Both of the ingredient contain niacinamide, but this particular one contains 10% of niacinamide, which is way more higher in the concentration. You don't need that much of the concentration because you are an Indian skin and your skin is very sensitive, prone to irritation. So you need something which is very gentle on the skin, at the same time effective. Now, many studies that shows 4% of niacinamide works better on pigmentation than the 10% of niacinamide. So here you're getting 4% of niacinamide. Next, this contains tranexamic acid. Now this got 4%, this got 2%, which is like fine. But this one contains one extra inhibitor, which is arbutin, which is missing in this particular one. Here you're getting vitamin C. So 3 चीजें आपको इसमें मिल रही हैं, 3 चीजें आपको इसमें मिल रही हैं. The only thing this particular serum is missing is the arbutin. Both of them contain Centella asiatica, but this contains few of the extracts, but this one contains 77% of Centella. Like the base of the solution is Centella asiatica. So this will be more soothing, more repairing and more calming on the skin. So this will go for people who are very sensitive skin or who have a very weak barrier ka problem. If you ask me, in my personal experience, I absolutely love this serum and would love to repurchase this one. But initially for first week I have seen visible results, but after 2-3 weeks the results was slow हो गए थे. Whereas this one I have used only 2 to 3 times a week, not on a regular basis, because जब मैं इसको यूज़ करती थी in a daily routine, ये मेरी स्किन को इरिटेट कर देता था because it's a potent formula. Now I have it, so how would I use it? I use it on alternate days. I will keep this one in my daily routine and I'll use this one as a booster for 2 to 3 times in a week, not more than that. Now if you're a Caucasian and normal skin, go for Anua one. If you are a sensitive skin and Indian skin, then go for this Skin One Not 4. Both of them are good, but you need to choose the product according to your skin type and your skincare concerns. Both of them target same concern. It's just that one is a very potent formula that might irritate your skin. Other one is a very gentle, mild and effective formula. Now, let me know which one would you choose out of these two. So yeah, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. I'm going to see you in my next. Until then, take care.